In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disabled Zillow account, 2026 guide. If your Zillow account has been disabled, don't panic. A disabled status usually means the system or a reviewer flagged something that needs a closer look. The fastest path to getting back in is to understand what likely triggered it. Contact Zillow through their official support channel and make sure your account aligns with their rules moving forward. Start by identifying the likely cause. Most cases fall into one of three buckets. Policy violations include things like submitting false details, posting duplicate or misleading listings, or anything that goes against community guidelines. Financial issues can arise from outstanding balances or unresolved payment disputes tied to advertising or premium services. Security and fraud flags happen when the system detects unusual sign-in activity, suspicious changes, or potential unauthorized access. Knowing which category fits your situation helps you communicate clearly and resolve it faster. Next, contact Zillow support directly. Because disabled accounts are locked for security reasons, a manual review is required. Open your browser, search for Zillow support, and click the official Help Center link. From there, locate the phone number listed on the support page, call and briefly explain that your account was disabled, then ask for the specific reason and the exact steps needed to restore access. Keep your explanation factual and concise, and write down any case number, documentation requests, or estimated timelines they provide. Avoid third-party websites or unofficial contact forms. Stick to Zillow's own channels. While you wait, review compliance standards. Read Zillow's terms of service and related policies to confirm you didn't unintentionally violate a rule. Double-check that every piece of information on your account and listings is accurate and belongs to you. If you've connected any third-party tools, make sure they are permitted and not triggering fraud filters. If access isn't immediately restored after the review, consider the technical resets available. A secure password reset can sometimes clear a security flag, especially if suspicious sign-in activity was involved. If support confirms the account is permanently banned and cannot be recovered, you may need to create a new account and follow all guidelines closely from the start. Finally, follow up. Give the support team a few business days to complete verification and security checks. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam folder, for an email confirming the status update or resolution. That's it for today. I know account lockouts are frustrating, but going through the official steps is the quickest way to get back on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.